In this tutorial video, we will show you how to use SAMHSA's Behavioral Health Treatment Services Locator. You can access the locator at findtreatment.samhsa.gov. In the middle of the home page, enter a starting location. While you are typing, our system will provide autocomplete options that you can choose from. Click Search Facilities or hit the Enter key, and the site will take you to the Locator map page. The facilities in the area will be displayed as different colored dots. Please see the legend in the bottom left corner to identify the different colored dots. In the Find Facility box in the top right corner of the screen, you can narrow the search area by clicking on State, County, or Distance. If you choose to search by distance from the center of the search, use the drop-down menu to change the number of miles for the search radius. For this example, we will keep the distance at 5 miles. Next, you can choose the service type. The default selection is Substance Abuse SA, which limits the list of facilities to only substance abuse treatment facilities. Or you can choose the Mental Health MH option, which limits the list of facilities to only mental health treatment facilities. If you wish to search both substance abuse and mental health treatment facilities, select SA and MH. Please note the shortcuts available for healthcare centers, buprenorphine physicians, and Veterans Affairs. Selecting any of these 3 shortcuts will automatically update the list and map to show facilities that meet the selected criteria. For this example, we will select Substance Abuse SA. Once you make your service type selection, the Search Services menu will appear. Carefully review all of the options and check the boxes that best fit your needs. You can search for language services offered, special programs or groups, the type of payment accepted, and many other services. You can click on Search More Services to expand your selection options. To return to the original list of services, click the same button, now named Search Less Services. For this example, we will search for outpatient treatment facilities that accept Medicaid clients. Under Service Settings, select Outpatient, and under Payment/Insurance/Funding Accepted, select Medicaid. You can click on the X in the top right corner of the Search Services menu or anywhere else on the screen to hide the menu. On the right side of your screen is a list of outpatient treatment facilities that accept Medicaid clients, and the corresponding facility locations are populated on the map. In the list, you can click on a facility name and a pin will drop on the map identifying that facility. Or you can click on any dot on the screen to display that facility's information, and the system will find and highlight this particular facility in the list of facilities. Next, we will show you an example of how to filter facility search results. Once you have cleared the previous search and closed the Search Services menu, click on the Filter/Sort button at the top of the facilities list. By default, the list is sorted by distance, low to high. If you wish to change how the list is sorted, click on Distance, Low to High to view the drop-down menu and make your selection. For this example, we will sort facilities by facility name A to Z. Click Apply, then the X in the top right corner, and the list of facilities is now arranged alphabetically by facility name. You can also filter by entering a full or partial facility name, full or partial facility address, or full or partial facility phone number. For this example, we will search by partial address. Click on the Filter/Sort button, and in Facility Address, we will type in First, as in First Street. Click Apply, then the X in the top right corner, and the list of facilities is now limited to those with first in its address. To remove these filters, simply click on the Filter/Sort button, click Clear, then the X in the top right corner. The map and facilities list are restored to the original settings with the default filter of distance, low to high. This was a tutorial of how to use SAMHSA's Behavioral Health Treatment Services Locator.